Welcome to Minecraft Alex Channel. Subscribe if you did it. Now, let's see if the anvil will break. Let's turn this pillar. Okay. Okay, they all broke. What else did you do? Okay. Let's try this again. But this time without air. Because... Okay, it broke. Okay, the hopper didn't destroy it. What? The banner did. These trees are burning down because of the fireball that we have in this dispenser. But anyway, let us continue. Here are the previous ones we did. But this maybe the last one. Now, next topic.
That's our next topic.
To see a mossy carpet, the streets involve like another type of carpet. Let's see a mossy carpet, the stories. Okay, so that was just for fun. Anyway, on to the next topic.
Are we done with the show tonight?
No.
We have more?
Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's place it down right. We'll place them down right here. Okay.
What are we showing here? What are we showing here?
What's this?
Oh, it's shooting fireballs?
Yes, but this time there's no item because there wasn't enough space for it to actually shoot as a fireball. Mommy?
What happened?
So this one shoots them as an item. What about this?
Oh,
That actually shoots it as a real thing. We have 3 topics today. Now on to the third and final topic.
okay. What's this topic about?
Let's see if this will shoot an arrow as a
What is that? Is that a furnace?
No.
Oh, is it? You can shoot out an arrow, huh? Cool. What is it?
It's a
What is that?
the
thing?
fire from there is burning down that. That's a type of dispenser.
Oh, it's a dispenser?
Yes, but this is a different type of dispenser.
Cool.
We have 2 topics for fun.
We finished our 3 topics already.
No, we have 2 more topics for fun. And let's get ourselves a snowball. A snowball. Snowball. I want a snowball. So, where's the snowball? Snowball. Where's the snowball? Where is the snowball? Okay, snowball is here.
Okay, I think we are done with today's show, right?
Nope.
What are we doing?
We have 2 new topics for fun.
We don't have a topic.
No, we have 2 topics for fun.
Okay. Let's just hurry up, okay?
What? Okay. Are you trying to just try and play the game? Because that's how we're doing it. I think. I'm gonna try it. Oh! Try it!
So cute.
No, I didn't. It's not through me. It's not through me. The trident went over there. The trident went over there. Let's try a snowball. Oh! That's a snowball.
Okay. Cool. I think this time we are done, right? Can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.